Hi, hello, how are you? I hope all are fine. Yes, in this pandemic situation, there is no probability of opening schools now only. So, we are going to start an online classes or WhatsApp classes. We hope for the better as early as possible. We will meet in the school. But for this situation, now we are going to start this new academic. I am Baswarajeshwari, your science miss. Today I am going to start science lessons. Okay, in third standard, do you remember what is the first lesson? Which is the first lesson? Yes, my body, yes, correct. In that lesson, we studied about parts of body and sense organs, how the sense organ works or helps, and how we can take care of our sense organ. This all we studied in third standard. Now I am going to start lesson number 1 of fourth standard, my body. Here also, first lesson is my body. In this lesson, we are going to study about organ system, in organ system, about digestive system, how digestion takes place, which are the parts in the digestive system, and about teeth we are going to study, and importance of eating fresh and clean food. These are all the topics we are going to study in this. Okay, you all know work machine. Our body work like a machine. Machine means so many parts are there. With the coordination of the many parts, that machine will work. Like that, our body has also many parts. With the help of these parts, our body will also work. Part also we are saying body part. Organ also we are saying organ. Our body is made up of many organs. What are these organs? Organs means body parts. For example, you say some parts of body. Yes, eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs. This all you can say. Now, some body parts we can see from outside. They are present outside our body, is called as external organs. What? External. External means outside. We can see those body parts. Those body parts are called external organs. Example: eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, fingers. These are our external parts or external organs. There are several body parts which are present inside our body. We cannot see from outside. They present inside our body. Such parts are called internal organs. They present inside our body are called as internal organs. Example: stomach, heart, liver, kidney. These are all internal organs. Okay, children? What? External organ and internal organ. Organs. Okay, next, organ system. What do you mean by organ system? Group of organs perform a particular function is known as organ system. Here not only single organ, here group of organs, the organs perform a particular function is known as organ system. In our body there are so many organ systems are there. Example: respiratory system, digestive system, nerve system. Like this, organ systems are there. In this lesson, in detail, we are going to study about digestive system. Digestion. So many times you may heard this word, digestion. Digestion. Sometimes your parents may be say, what food we eat that is already digested. Otherwise undigested, like that. Digestion means the process of breaking of complex food material into simpler form in our digestive system is known as, or this process is called as digestion. Means breaking up of what food we are eating, that is breaking down into simpler form in our digestive system. This is known as digestion. How this digestion takes place in our body, which are the organs present in our digestive system, let us we will study. First, mouth. Next, teeth. In teeth there are three types are there. Next, tongue, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Like this, these are the parts or organs in our digestive system. Digestion starts from mouth. Next, from the mouth, teeth, inside the mouth, teeth, tongue. Here, teeth and tongue helps the food and chew and to push into the food pipe. Next, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. These are the parts or organs present in our digestive system. Okay, children, what we studied new here in this class means external organs, internal organs, organ system. In detail, in next class, I am going to start how this digestion takes place in our digestive system. Till that time, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next class. Bye.